Hello and welcome to Flatbread Friday. And this week, all over the news was the news that Taco Bell is bringing back their taco pizza in the fall. So I had some hamburgers left over from when the kids were here. I had bought some tiny little corn tortillas from Misfits Market, and those were sitting around. I also, from Misfits Market, bought these Baja black beans, avocado oil, onion, and sea salt. And the recipes that you see online for the Copycat Taco Bell pizzas call for refried beans, meat, cheese, tortillas. And I had all that stuff in the refrigerator and in the freezer, so that's what we're gonna make, my version of the taco pizza. And that's gonna happen on this Flatbread Friday. Because all I had was the black beans, I've decided that I'm going to make them into refried beans by smashing them up. I left the oil and stuff on them so we could smash them. And we're gonna squish them up with a fork and mash them up. Here are smashed up black beans. They're actually pretty tasty. I'm glad I ordered that product. And they're gonna be very good on our taco pizzas. And these are our fake refried beans. Okay. We're going to brown and season our ground beef, our smashed up hamburgers, over, medium, high-ish heat until there is no pink left. And then we're gonna drain off the fat, and that's gonna be the meat portion of our taco pizzas. We're cooking up nice, and it's time to season our taco meat with sort of my signature taco seasoning. We start with a little salt and pepper. And some chili powder. Some smoked paprika. Some cumin. Some cilantro. And I love my limey stuff, so in goes some of that. And we're going to continue to cook our burger till it's all brown. And this is a little out of the ordinary, but I had an Eric corn I had to use, so this is going in there with our ground beef. And maybe we'll call these corny taco pizzas. Come on, baby. I'm also going to add in just a little bit of garlic at this point. You know I like my garlic. Okay, we're going to stir this in, and our beef will be done. Our taco meat, our corny taco meat, is done. It looks great. And we're going to set that aside before we assemble our taco pizzas. And now we're going to work on our tortillas. We're going to crisp up our tortillas in a little pan because they're little tortillas sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. A couple of minutes aside. And then we're going to lay them on a baking sheet filled with parchment. And then it's probably time to build our Mexican pizzas. This is what they should look like. And now we're going to do our Mexican pizza crusts. And they're mini. So, and we're only going to make, because it has to have a top and a bottom, so we're only going to make 3 today, but we'll make more later. Okay, we're ready to build. First thing that goes on, sorry about my arm, is a smear of our black, not refried, mashed beans. Next comes our meat mixture, our corny meat mixture. We're going to serve this. When we serve it, we're going to serve it with some salsa, but I'm just going to put just a smudge inside to give it a little something. This is a nice garden fresh salsa. And I have an abundance of American cheese, and this is going to add as some glue to hold this thing together. So we're going to just put 1 piece of American cheese on each one. Now we're going to put our tops on. Spread them out in this pan because these are going in the oven. And what I want to do for toppings is I had 1 plum tomato that I had in the refrigerator and then diced it. And we're going to put that on top. You know, pizzas have toppings. This pizza has filling and toppings. But we're going to do that. And then we're going to finish us off with a sprinkle of cheddar cheese. Our taco pizzas are ready to go in the oven. Going to be about 15 minutes or so. I have the oven heated to 400. Let's see how it goes. Our taco pizzas are now out of the oven and they look pretty delicious. And in just a minute, we're going to slice them and serve. Here's our bite-sized, snack-size Mexican pizza. We're going to serve it with some sour cream and some salsa. And we're also going to garnish it with, I'm reaching back here, I have those little scallion tops that grew in my refrigerator. So we're going to pop that on. And that's going to be delicious. And we're going to eat that and we're going to like it. And I'm going to like it. And I hope you try these or go to Taco Bell and buy these. Thank you for joining me for another edition of Flatbread Friday. I'm looking down at our taco pizzas. I'm going to salsa and sour cream and take a little bite. Oh man, that's good.